Well, hello there. It's Duane, the Success King. And if you've ever thought to yourself, I'm working hard, but my bank account isn't showing it, this video is for you. Let's be real. Entrepreneurship isn't just about hustle, it's about strategy. Today I'm exposing 7 money traps that silently drain entrepreneurs and keep you stuck in the cycle of just getting by. Now listen, I'm going to teach you what each trap is, when it shows up, and why it's costing you more than you think. So let's look at it right now. Being an entrepreneur is not for the faint of heart. You're building, you're creating, serving, but if your money system is broke, your business will bleed cash faster than you can earn it. The worst part, though, is most people don't even realize they've fallen into a trap until it's too late. These next 7 traps might seem small, but they're expensive mistakes. So let's walk through each one, what it is, when it hits, and why this particular trap keeps people broke. Trap number 1, reinvesting every dollar without paying yourself. Now what? You put every single dollar back into your business and never pay yourself. This usually happens during the startup or scaling phase when you think I'll pay myself later. Now, this creates burnout, breeds resentment, and sends a message that your value comes last. And businesses built on burnout don't last. Trap number 2, taking out high interest loans too early. You get all excited about funding and grab the first loan available, usually with 20 to 40% interest. And you do this early on before you've built steady income or credit relationships. And your reasoning is you see what happens. You end up working for the lender instead of your mission. It crushes your cash flow and keeps you in a survival mode. Trap number 3, lifestyle creep. I deserve it spending. What you do is you make more and suddenly you're buying more cars, trips, and meals because I earned it. And when do people usually do this? As soon as their income increases and they feel like they've arrived. And their reasoning that all this messes things up is it erodes your profit margin and tricks you into thinking your business is doing better than it really is. Remember, growth doesn't mean splurge, it means structure. Trap number 4, no emergency fund for the business. You don't have a reserve to handle slow months, unexpected costs, or new opportunities. When does this usually happen? This shows up the first time something goes wrong, and it always does. Why is this an issue? Because without a buffer, one bad month can knock you completely off track. Now listen, if you're enjoying this video, subscribe to the channel, click that bell so you'll know when I post more great content like this every week. Now, trap number 5, poor tax planning, ignoring write-offs. What happens? You wait until tax season to figure it out, and you're not tracking expenses or writing things off. People do this all year long until the IRS comes knocking. Now, why is this a problem? Because you lose thousands every year simply because you don't understand how business taxes work. And yes, that knowledge is money. Trap number 6, underpricing to stay competitive. Now, you charge less because you're afraid people won't buy. And this happens especially when you're just starting out or comparing yourself to others online. Now, this hurts because this makes you work harder for less and attracts the wrong clients, ones who want discounts, not results. Trap number 7, not separating personal and business finances. And this is one of the greatest traps. Your business account and personal account are the same, or worse, you don't even have a business account. Now, when does this happen? For most people that do this, it's from day one or whenever you feel like it. It's not that serious. Why is this such an issue? It ruins your ability to build business credit, track performance, and be taken seriously by banks, lenders, or even those who would partner with you. Let's keep it 100. Which of these traps have you fallen into? I want you to be honest and drop it in the comments. Trap 1, 2, 5. Let's talk about it. Now look, I've told you what the traps are, when they happen, and why they matter. If you want to learn how to escape each one, I've created a private opportunity for you to connect with me so that we can help you walk and work through these strategies. I want you to hit that link in the description and get a one-on-one opportunity. And if you found this information to be valuable, like, subscribe, and share it with another entrepreneur who needs to hear it today. Because you already know, success doesn't come from grinding alone. It comes from making smart decisions and avoiding dumb traps. Well, I'm the Duane, the Success King. Let's keep building wisely, strategically, and unapologetically. See you in the next video. Get free, get built, get ready, get going. Have a great day.